Hey y'all, today we're looking at this cat hammock for the window, and the brand did send this over and compensate me for this video. But if you've got a cat that loves to climb, scratch, and watch the world go by like we do, then this window perch and scratching post combo is a great setup and a great alternative. It was very easy to put together. I actually had it together by myself in about 20 minutes. It's tall enough to give them a good vantage point at 53 inches tall, but it doesn't require any drilling, so you're not going to put holes in your wall. It actually has 3 strong suction cups to keep it secure against the window. And the base is sturdy enough to hold up to like 45 pounds, which makes it great for bigger cats that just need a little extra space. So it does have 3 different levels. So the post in the center, you can put one in, you can put two, or you can put all three. So it can have different perch levels, meaning your cat can choose where they want to hang out, which height is best for you to hook it to the window, whatever you want, however high you want it to be, whether it's lounging low, climbing to the middle, or stretching all the way up to the top. The 360-degree viewing platform lets the cats keep an eye on everything around them, which is great for our cat that loves to bird watch out the window. The scratching posts are wrapped in linen, so they have a good spot to dig their claws in without tearing up our furniture, which is always a plus. It also comes with a built-in cat toy to keep them entertained too. You can just tie it right on. The whole design really encourages natural behaviors for cats like climbing and scratching and perching up high. So it's more than just a place to sit and sleep. It's also like an interactive space for your cat. And again, one of the best parts about it is how adjustable it is. You can tweak the height and setup to fit your space, making it work in different rooms or with different windows. The materials are built to last, so it holds up well with daily use. It's an easy way to give our cat her dedicated spot to climb and scratch without taking up a ton of space or requiring any permanent installation.